The first derivative test, visualizing relative extrema with TI-84CE. We will begin by graphing this function using this window in blue. We will then graph the derivative of the function in y1 with respect to x at all values of x. I love this feature using this command here. And the question we could ask is, where is the relative maximum point? And we'll investigate this using mode graph table. I'll press a second graph to be able to trace from the table. And so I'm going to go down the table. Notice that as I do that, the ordered pair is in the table, and you can see it on the graph. And this seems to be a maximum point right here. But let's slide over to the y2, the derivative, and you can see at the derivative, the value is, for all practical purposes, 0, 4 times 10 to the negative 6th. So that does make it a critical number. Placing those screenshots side by side, we can see that a relative extrema can occur when the first derivative is 0. Here's the relative extrema. Here's where the derivative is 0. And what about a relative minimum point? Let me go back to y1 and arrow down until I get to a minimum value, which is at x equals 3, negative 138. And then slide over again to the derivative and see that the y-coordinate is 0 at this x value of 3. And summarizing, again, a relative extrema occurs when the first derivative is 0, in this case a relative minimum. For student activity and teacher solutions, please go to this website.